Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the event ID 18 error that you are facing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. And the error message reads at the secure socket tunneling protocol service either cannot read the SHA256 certificate hash from the registry or the data is invalid. So this error may typically occur on a Windows or a Windows server machine. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor, right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. Now in registry you need to go to H key local machine guys, expand it and expand the system and expand the current mic control set, expand it and expand the services guys and search for SSTP SVC. You just need to click on it, SSTP SVC. In this you just need to check my file path location guys. In here I will zoom in my video. On right side on blank area you just need to right click on it and select new, select binary value and name this value as SHA, caps letter SHA 256 C caps letter certificate SCRTIFICATE certificate and hash H capital guys, HAS guys, SHA caps letter 256 CERTIFICATE HAS guys, H caps letter guys. After doing it, press enter and double click on it. In this value data you just want to give value data to 32 guys. Just need to 32, just need to type 32 guys and you get 32 and select OK. And after doing it, close out of here. For changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, attempt to reconnect to the VPN server for the clients guys. Hopefully the problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.